Hi, this is a video just describing the ability of Apple Notes and its tagging ability as well. I was trying to explain this. Tagging, if you're not familiar with it, has been around for quite some time. But what it allows you to do is give you views that aren't attached to folders. And what I mean by that is if you tag individual files that live in different places, you could see those files in a list. So for instance, I have this directory called tags demo, and it's showing you within tags demo, there's two files and it's showing you the first and second file. What it's not doing, this is an Apple thing, is it doesn't show you those actual files at this level. This directory structure I noticed in Notes only shows folders. So when you do click a folder, these are the contents of that folder. So it doesn't show you that in this list, but it shows you nested folders. So within engineering, I've got three folders. I've got CTO, JS libraries, quality assurance. And the way that you add a tag is you just do #tag, and then once you hit space, you can see the tag turns yellow there. So now that says hashtag or #yellow or hello, and you should also see in all tags hello popped up right here. So now if I click on hello, this is the only file regardless of where I am, or it ignores the folder structure together. Now what this is saying is it's showing me that file. And if I go back to top and I click on hello, we leave the folder structure and only the file with hashtag hello is shown. So basically hashtags are like a continued view. So switch back to tags demo. If I go to engineering, I've got two folders in engineering and design. And these files have David creative. Those are the tags there. And this is logic go live. So for instance, now I'm at the top level. If you've got stuff in different folders, but they relate to the same thing, for instance, everything with creative. So there's only one file tagged with creative. If you click on two of these two files now match. Creative and David are both here. But what about ones with only David in it? So these two files are tagged with David. If we go to go live and we remove David, these two files, quality assurance and production notes, one actually lives in the engineering folder, and one, so you could see here specifically, these are coming from different folders, but it's showing you a list with all the tags that say go live. So for instance, I'm gonna hit hello and turn that off. Only one file has that. If we do logic, three files have logic, so design, engineering. So two files from engineering two files with the logic hashtag have come from the engineering folders, and one comes from the design folder. So you can see how the tags are separating themselves. There's a level of separation here from the folder structure just with the tags, and you can, if I had a file that had all of these tags in it, this is how you know it was working. So let's try that, for instance. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to call it all tags, and I'm going to say, and you can see right when I hit a #, it's going to give me my list of tags. So hello, tagged, creative, #, David, #. What are we missing here? Go live and logic. And if I just do a quick count, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now this is the only file with all the tags in it. So if I go to the top level of tags demo, I'm going to select all the files, and only all tags showed up. And then because it's still got, if I go back the other way, you'll see how it goes back the other way. So now there's two files with creative in it. If we do David, but you can see that's an example of how this works. I hope that was clear. So the main things to understand is you can structure your files or notes by folders, but you can also tag them so it gives you an independent view outside of the folder structure for filtering and separation, which is really neat. So for instance, if you had product managers and you wanted to put their names within each of the files, you could see a list of just those with the names attached to them. So thanks.